Oh, what a beautiful day. I don't think we should just float the ship. What's up? Hey, what's this? Please side. Wow! The jumpy. I'm coming. Huh. Yay! You! Yeah. Hey, stop it! Out! I'm coming. What's this? You should not know this. Okay, I'm coming. Where's everybody? Hey! I can see something. Jinx, can you please watch that if any wrong thing is happening? Of course, Captain. Woo-ha! Uh-oh. A big storm is coming towards us. Hey, what we can do? Wow! Everybody, let's get on inside the ship. Now! But somebody should be outside. I will be. And everybody let's go down. Go. I will fight the monsters. No need. Going. Should I also? Yes. I want to fight the monsters. Does anybody knows where are they? I think they are outside fighting the storms and monsters. Hey, I'm coming! Wait a minute. I said wait. My system is getting confused. Why are you just being a Hulk? Cool down. Everything will be fine. Okay. I'm going for a rest. Hey, don't go there. Why? Because just I'm saying. Okay. I'm standing on the bridge. Wait for the moment. Where's everybody? We are here fighting. Sorry, seeing the storms, but why are you coming here? I thought that there is a monster. Are you mad like the monkey? Hey, what do you mean to say? Just nothing. Sorry. Just go and watch. What's happening here? Hey, why do you came here? I told you that I want to fight the monsters. Oh, are you gone mad? There's nothing like a monster. Hey, I saw something. We should go there now. I'm coming. What are you doing? Hey, why do you came here? We thought that something bad will happen. Me too. What about me? Hey, who was that? I think he was our old friend. Yes, me too. I'm coming. Where is he? I am here. Don't you recognize me? Oh, Sleepy Shark. You are here. But where? Okay. We were... Oh, the sky looks clear. Who is looking outside? I was looking. Hey.